Well, it's something we don't really think about until we have to think about it. I'm talking about sump pumps. What exactly is a sump pump? What does it do?
A sump pump is strictly designed to collect the weeping tile water. And weeping tile is simply a corrugated pipe around the bottom perimeter of your home, around the footing. And it's there to collect the groundwater and move it. Now, we have to get rid of it once we collect it, and that's what a sump pump does. The water comes into this sump barrel, and it comes through a 4-inch diameter pipe that's in here. And as this barrel fills up, the sump pump will automatically turn on in order to discharge the water out of the home. It's a very, very important piece to the puzzle.
It's not the be-all and end-all, is it?
It is not. A sump pump is just there to collect the water for your weeping tile system, but it doesn't stop the deficiencies in your foundation wall, like vertical cracks seeping.
All right. Protect what matters most. It's your home, of course. It's keeping it dry. Visit shieldfoundationrepair.ca.